In the heart of West Africa lies a rich and vibrant culture, steeped in tradition and spirituality. Welcome to the world of Igbo cosmology, where nature and spirit entwine in perfect harmony. In Igbo cosmology, every individual is believed to possess a spark of the divine, known as chi. This vital energy connects us to the universe, guiding our destiny and influencing our daily lives. Imagine chi as your personal guardian spirit, an intrinsic part of you, yet linked to the cosmic whole. Igbo people believe that their ancestors continue to play an active role in their lives, offering guidance, protection, and wisdom. The ancestral realm is a vital part of Igbo cosmology, connecting the living with the dead. Through rituals and reverence, the Igbo maintain a bond that transcends time, keeping the wisdom of generations past alive. In Igbo cosmology, every aspect of life is interconnected. The natural world, the spirit realm, and human society are all part of a delicate balance. This understanding fosters a deep respect for the environment and a sense of responsibility to maintain harmony. From the rivers to the skies, every element is seen as a thread in the fabric of existence. Igbo cosmology offers a unique perspective on the world, one that emphasizes harmony, balance, and interconnectedness. As we explore this rich and vibrant culture, we may discover new insights into our own place within the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the mystical world of Igbo cosmology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the links below to learn more about Igbo culture and explore other African cosmologies.